Tony from Old River Hard Goods. On my way down to the PATINA show, heading down US Route 15, still here in PA. It's lightly snowing. There's a little blowing around on the roads, but hopefully no accumulation so far, but it ain't going to get any better. I'm not going to do too much of a road trip for this segment because, yeah, folks get bored with all that stuff, but unless we see something interesting. So, anyways, on with the show. Oh, quick shot of the view down here down here in Maryland. Just up in the northern section. Only been here for about 10 minutes. Pretty farm country. Bit hazy, foggy. Of course, the mountains off there in the distance. It's still kind of lightly snowing, raining, but it's above freezing, so hopefully things will be good. Well, we're here. As you can see, it's snowing and nobody's out tailgating, but time to start unloading the truck. I already made one purchase on the inside, so I guess we're off to an okay start. Well, here we are set up. The screws and the saw is sold right away. Geez, I wasn't even finished unloading and somebody grabbed them. So, but what are you going to do? That's what I'm here for. So, it's a good start. Here we are at the dealer setup. It's 12 noon. About half full so far, so auction wall in the back. Bunch of good stuff here. So I know Ken a long time, and I know just about everybody here a long time.
Cool. Thank you very much.
And here we got a view of the auction tables. Lots and lots of stuff. I don't stay for the auction, but it's still fun to look. Hammers, axes. Oh, that's a neat one. Wrenches. Lots of chisels. Planes. There's pretty much something for everybody here.
Is this a mystery? Yeah, there is a list. Gosh, it's been a list for a while, as far as I know. Sure.
Stuff is everywhere.
Thank you. I know we could have gotten this.
A view from where I'm sitting. Table. People looking and talking and buying a little. So far it's not been too bad. I've sold more than I've spent. But mine's been pretty good. Got some neat pieces to show you guys when I get back. Well, it's just 4 o'clock and I'm about to call it a day. Got to go get to the hotel room and get checked in, go find me some supper, probably break my diet when I do that, but what the heck, don't go on the road every day. Sales were pretty decent for the first day. Buying was really decent, although I did sell more than I spent, so that's always a good sign. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Holy smokes. This is like hurricane type of rain. Of course, that's not slowing these fools down, but